Crops and grass die when irrigation pumps overheat and fail. Your irrigation pump customer will not be happy. Pools turn green when pumps overheat and fail. Your pool pump customer will not be happy. Hot tubs turn cold when pumps overheat and fail. Your hot tub pump customer will not be happy. The water stops flowing when unattended pumps overheat, but the pump motor keeps running, consuming electricity, costing wasted dollars, and your customer will not be happy. Now, Thermal Interrupt Devices has developed the perfect patented solution for pump professionals, the TID Pump Protector, available in 4 different models: high current thread mount, low current thread mount, pool and spa high current, and pool and spa low current for use with pool and spa control circuits. Installation of the pump protector is easy and simple. First, disconnect all power to the pump motor at the breaker panel or disconnect device. Never attempt installation on an energized circuit. Thread the pump protector into an existing pressure port. Tighten the brass fitting and position the body to give easy access to the reset button. For metal pumps which do not have a threaded port available, there's a surface mount kit available for the protector, which comes with a threaded disc, thermal paste, and industrial-grade epoxy to permanently attach the protector to the upper half of the pump housing. Sand the pump housing to bare metal and thoroughly mix the epoxy until it's a uniform color with no streaks. Do not allow any epoxy to get on the heat sensor of the protector. Press the thoroughly mixed epoxy onto the protector's surface mount disc and apply the thermally conductive paste to the center of the protector's brass fitting to ensure good heat transfer from the pump to the protector. Press the protector firmly onto the pump and allow the epoxy 24 hours of cure time before making the electrical and conduit connections. Once properly installed, the protector's housing can be rotated for easy alignment and connection with flexible conduit to a junction box or pump motor. For direct wire applications using either 120 or 240 volts AC, connect the protector's wires in series with only a single power conductor to the motor. Do not disturb the other conductors. There are also low current protectors for use on 1 amp or less 125 VAC applications, typically found where control circuits are used to manage the operation of large and small or special application pump motors. Low current protectors are never wired directly to the pump motor or to any high current circuit. After installation is complete, press the reset button on the protector until it locks in place to close the internal switch. The last step is to reset the pump's breaker or disconnect device to restore power to the pump. Also available are special versions of the TID Pump Protector for pool and spa pumps. There's a high current direct wire to the motor version and a low current model designed to work with control panels or motor starter circuits. Many pool and spa pumps are made of thermoplastic, which do not have threaded pressure ports in the upper pump housing. The protector's industrial-grade epoxy will not adhere to thermoplastic, eliminating the surface mount option for plastic pumps. However, the pump protector for pools and spas will work on both metal and plastic pumps by using the threaded drain ports found on these units. First, replace the pump's drain plug with the included adapter fitting, and then install the protector as shown earlier. The high current direct wire version is connected as before, with either a 120 or 240 volts AC motor. Follow the motor starter's instructions when connecting a low current protector to the starter circuit. Now, if an overheat event begins after the pump protector is installed, the protector will react to the excessive heat before damage to the pump can occur. As heat begins to increase in the pump housing, it travels into the protector, which reacts by shutting off the power to the pump motor. Stopping the pump motor stops the overheat event, which saves the pump from destruction. Repair is now simple. First, always disconnect power to the pump at the breaker or disconnect device. A technician should then locate and repair the cause of the overheating. And remember, always reset the protector before closing the breaker or disconnect device to return power to the pump motor. The pump protector saves the pump, the piping, and wasted electricity. And most of all, it's a guarantee that your customers will be happy. The TID Pump Protector by Thermal Interrupt Devices.